Hi, this is Cess. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply vinyl using the wet application method. If you are struggling with bubbles in your adhesive vinyl applications, this step-by-step tutorial will help you end that frustration. So let's go ahead and start! I'm using this clear acrylic blank and it has 2 protective films on each side. Step 1. Saturate the blank with water. Step 2. Apply the vinyl. Step 3. Use a scraper or a squeegee tool to burnish the vinyl. This is an important step because you want all of the water to be out from underneath the vinyl. In the final step, remove the transfer tape. If there are still bubbles, reapply the transfer tape and burnish it again. Try to move the bubbles out. See you in the next episode of DIY by Cess. Thanks for watching!